Welcome to Unit 1702 at the Pearl Resort on beautiful Navarre Beach, Florida. This penthouse unit has been completely renovated, no expense spared on any of the furnishings or any of the materials used in the renovation as well. So coming in, you can see we have a beautiful detail shiplap wall here throughout the living area, as well as in the master bedroom and bathroom. Wonderful vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire unit. There's a really nice size dining area over here, as well as a convenient bar for entertaining. Beautiful cabinetry with stone countertops here, a shiplap detail, as well as a convenient wine fridge. Into the kitchen, just below the island, we have plenty of additional storage over here. Gorgeous stone countertops, soft closed drawers and doors on the cabinetry, a pantry for additional storage, as well as an owner's closet with a deadbolt lock on it. The appliances are all new Whirlpool black stainless steel, very popular right now. Just off the kitchen, we have a convenient little seating area. I just love what she did over here. Just a nice little place to put your cooler and all your beach goods as well. We have new washer and dryer over here, as well as some additional storage with a convenient hanging bar. It's just absolutely gorgeous in here. All the fixtures have been replaced in this unit as well. So on the front side of the unit, we have the first bedroom and bathroom. Again, everything has been completely renovated in here. New toilets, countertops, fixtures, mirror, gorgeous walk-in shower here with a rolling shower door. Such great detail in here. There is a hall linen closet as well. And into the first bedroom here, we have a king-size bed, so it's a really nice size bedroom in here, plenty of room. And this bedroom also has a view of the Sound just across the way here. You can see the Navarre Beach Bridge right over there on the right-hand side. So a few things, if you're not familiar with this building here, it's a gated building, so lots of privacy there. There's also a community pool, a community gym, and a barbecue area as well. We take you back and give you a tour of the master over here. The master suite also has Gulf views, floor-to-ceiling windows, so you can just sit back and relax and wake up to the beautiful Gulf every morning. The entire wall in this room is windows. Lots of natural light in here. There is a king-size bed in the master as well, with an additional seating area, so very spacious master here. Shiplap detail on the walls in the master bath and bedroom. Very nice size walk-in closet in here as well. Lots of storage space. Into the master bathroom. Again, just completely gorgeous. We have a double vanity. Everything has been completely renovated and updated with a nice detail shiplap wall in the back. Gorgeous walk-in shower, very nice size. 2 benches in here. And a convenient makeup vanity as well over here on this side. So just so much wonderful detail and thought was put into the renovation of this unit. It is absolutely stunning. It's turnkey. All you need to do is bring your things and you're ready for vacation. A few other things about this area, if you're not familiar with Navarre Beach, this is walkable to the Navarre Pier. Also, you have some dining options that are walkable in this area. You have Juana's, you have the pier bar as well. Both have live music. And there's also a wonderful bike path that runs along Navarre Beach all the way down to the National Seashore. So if you like to walk or run or bike, that is definitely an option here as well. We also have the Sea Turtle Rehab Center too. That's always really fun to visit. So just a few of the wonderful things that there are to do here on Navarre Beach. So let us know if you'd like to see it. We'd love to set up a private viewing for you, or if you have any clients that are interested. Again, this is unit 1702 at the Pearl on Navarre Beach, Florida, the penthouse suite.